Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Callaway Golf 2020 Maverick Max Iron Set. In 2020, Callaway unveiled their new line of products for all clubs. For the first time, Callaway using artificial intelligence in an iron. They created a sophisticated face architecture that's unique to every loft to give you a significant boost in ball speed and increased spin robustness off of every iron. The custom tungsten-infused weights in each iron allow us to locate the position of the CG in each iron with extraordinary precision, while still maintaining ball speed in the flash face cup. This promotes optimal launch and ball flight throughout the entire set. These irons will help you launch it high and land softy on the green. Let's watch more.
What's going on, everyone? I'm Steven from CallawayGolf.com, here to tell you all about the new Maverick Irons family. Callaway has been the #1 iron brand in golf for over 5 years and counting because we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Now, for the first time, we've used AI to create irons, and the result will blow you away. Our Maverick irons feature new flash-based cup technology designed using artificial intelligence to create a unique face structure for every loft throughout the set. By using a specific design for each iron, we've added a significant boost in ball speed in the long irons, speed and spin control in the mid irons, and spin and launch control in the scoring clubs. The Maverick iron features our tungsten energy core with a tungsten-infused weight that allows us to precisely position the center of gravity to optimize launch conditions for each iron. And don't worry, these irons have amazing feel thanks to our urethane microsphere technology. The combination of the new flash face cup, tungsten energy core, and urethane microspheres creates a total performance package for amazing feeling shots that launch on a strong, consistent flight and land softly on the green. Maverick Max irons have a confidence-inspiring shape with wider soles and a lower CG position that makes them super easy to hit. Add in the Max Loft package and you've got the perfect recipe for extremely forgiving, high-flying performance. Max irons are available in either the KBS Max Steel shafts or the Project X Catalyst graphite shafts, both wrapped with a Tour Velvet 360 soft grip. If you want the most advanced iron technology from the #1 iron brand in golf, then the Maverick irons should be in your bag. Be a Maverick and try them out today.
Second in our list is Taylormade M2. This set is packed with top-of-the-line features and technology and is now offered at a great value. The M2 are designed to be forgiving, but they paid close attention to the top line on this club. Generally speaking, players with lower handicaps do not like to look down at a thick top line. Taylormade kept that in mind with this design. They use geoacoustic tuning to help increase both the sound and feel on this iron. The Taylormade M series has proven to be very successful. They have worked their way up from an M1 to an M6. Considering many features, the M2 is an option to seriously consider when looking for a great value in a set of irons. Our third pick is Strata Men's Golf Packaged Sets. If you're brand new to the game and don't even have a golf bag or anything, invest in this complete whole set from Callaway. This beginner golf club set is made for beginners who are just learning how to play this great game. The set has everything you need and includes driver, 3-wood, 4 and 5 hybrid, 6-9 iron, PW, SW, putter, stand bag and 4 head covers. The Strata Ultimate is high quality and designed with ultimate distance and performance in mind, using modernized golf technology to cover you from tee to green. Our number 4 is Cleveland Golf CBX Iron Set. The Cleveland CBX Iron Set is not only a great value, but it is also one of the best sets that were put out in 2020. The carbon steel iron set originally was priced quite high, but has now dropped to an average and good value for a new set of irons. Now is the time to grab this golf club. The CBX irons start with a nice thin top line and incredible feel in the PW, 9, 8 and even into the 7 iron. As you move into the longer irons, the clubs get thicker and almost look a bit more like a hybrid. This is done intentionally to help with launch and forgiveness. The CBX comes stock with a true temper 98-gram steel shaft in the regular flex, perfect mid-weight option. In this review, we are trying to cover sets that are great value, but you can talk to anyone who bought a set of the CBX this year, and I'm sure they would tell you that these irons were worth every dollar spent. Let's watch more about this iron set.
Take control. Get distance with total precision. Introducing the Cleveland Golf Launcher CBX irons, engineered to deliver maximum distance with pinpoint accuracy. The long irons have a cup face and a low profile, so they're forgiving and easy to hit. They progress seamlessly into compact short irons that offer complete control right where you need it. Progressive V-shaped sole grinds optimize turf interaction for each iron, helping you cut through the turf for total control at impact. Field balancing technology moves the center of gravity to the impact zone, increasing stability and distance control, even when you don't hit the exact center of the face. Launcher CBX irons are built with Cleveland Golf's proven wedge spin technology, helping you generate more spin from the fairway and the rough. Forgiveness, distance, and control blended across a single set of irons. That's how Cleveland Golf gets you closer from anywhere on the course. The new Launcher CBX irons. Don't just hit it, launch it.
Our last pick is Callaway X Hot Iron Set. The X Hot Iron by Callaway is a distance iron that Callaway did not push nearly as hard as their Rogue. If you are playing with a beginner setter technology greater than 8 years old, the X Hot irons might be something to consider. They are designed to increase ball speed. The mid to high handicap golfer is best suited to swing this club. The X Hot is going to give consistent distance, fit a large range of players, the sound and feel are solid, and the weighting is perfect for the average golfer. This set of irons does not back the same feel and forgiveness as something like a Callaway Apex iron would, but it can be a very economical upgrade. If you are looking for something with the latest technology and a clean thin look, then this is not your club to purchase.